Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com.
In this video today, or when you just need someone to follow your another example would be and visit the website Vietnamese Pod 101. More lessons by real. Hi guys, it's Ling again. Welcome back to Vietnamesepod101.com, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Vietnamese. In this lesson today, we're going to talk about the imperative in Vietnamese. It's going to be significant, especially when you need to give someone advice or when you need someone to follow your instructions. So let's see what they are. The imperative in Vietnamese, we say mệnh lệnh, or you can say mệnh lệnh thức. It means like a comment. Okay, so in Vietnamese, aside from some verbs that you need to know or you want to say, you will have to remember a few words. But first of all, I'd like to introduce to you how we say please in Vietnamese. In Vietnamese, we say làm ơn, làm ơn, làm ơn. Aside from làm ơn, we also have another word, which is vui lòng, vui lòng, vui lòng. Okay, làm ơn is like very common, and if you want to be a little bit more formal, you can say vui lòng. The first word that I want to introduce to you to have an imperative sentence, we can say hãy. Hãy. We use hãy at the beginning of the sentence before the verb to say something like let's do something. Okay. In sentence, hãy làm những gì bạn thấy cần thiết. Hãy làm những gì bạn thấy cần thiết. Hãy làm những gì bạn thấy cần thiết. Hãy dấu ngã. Okay. Hãy làm những gì bạn thấy cần thiết means like let's do something that you think is necessary, or do something you think is necessary. Okay. Cần thiết here is necessary. Hãy dậy sớm để tốt cho sức khỏe. Hãy dậy sớm để tốt cho sức khỏe. Hãy dậy sớm để tốt cho sức khỏe, meaning get up early for a good health, or waking up early is good for health. Hãy dậy sớm để tốt cho sức khỏe. Okay, so when you hear something with hãy, it sounds like you're giving instructions or giving advice, right? So in these situations, you can use please or not. One more thing that I'd like to share is the word please is not too common in Vietnamese. We have different ways to show that you're politely requesting someone to do something. However, it's not like a very common word. The second word that we can use for imperative is đi. 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 Đi means to go, but in this situation, đi will be at the end of the sentence. For example, ăn đi. Ăn đi means let's eat. Ăn đi, okay? Or uống đi, let's drink. Uống đi. Uống đi means let's drink or drink it. Học đi. Học đi. Học đi means study. And chạy đi. Chạy đi. Chạy đi means run. So in this situation, the word đi will be used shortly in short sentences. For example, you can just put the verb before the words and this is gonna be like a full sentence. So basically, we'll use this word đi for a very short comment or just a very short sentence or request. The third one that I want to share is đừng. 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 Đừng means do not do something. So in these situations, we use for the negation, okay? In contrast to đi, đừng will be used at the beginning of the sentence, okay? So for example, đừng tranh cãi nữa. Đừng tranh cãi nữa. Đừng tranh cãi nữa means stop fighting or stop arguing. Đừng tranh cãi nữa. Okay, so in this case, you can understand as đừng means do not do something or stop doing something. Another example would be đừng lỡ chuyến xe cuối cùng về nhà. Đừng lỡ chuyến xe cuối cùng về nhà. Đừng lỡ chuyến xe cuối cùng về nhà means don't miss the last ride home. Usually this sentence will be used for that holiday. The fourth one, which is also similar to đừng, but it can be used only for do not do something instead of stop doing something, okay? Which is không được, không được, không được, không được dấu nặng, okay? So it has to be a little bit strong. Không được, in sentence, không được uống rượu bia khi lái xe. Không được uống rượu bia khi lái xe. Không được uống rượu bia khi lái xe. Rượu bia means alcohol in general, okay? Không được uống rượu bia khi lái xe means do not drink alcohol while driving. So when you say không được, it sounds like a must, right? It's mandatory. So that means you are not allowed to do it. Không được. This can be used for kids as well. For example, không được chơi game khi đang ăn cơm. Không được chơi game khi đang ăn cơm. Không được chơi game khi đang ăn cơm, meaning like no video games while eating or no games while eating. Không được chơi game khi đang ăn cơm. The last one that I want to introduce to you is now. Now. Now, easy, right? Now. It sounds like now in English, but it has the tone, the down tone. Now, dấu huyền, now. So, now, okay? This situations now can be used for let's do something or hey, do something, okay? And it's very informal, it's very casual. You can use anywhere. For example, đi ra nào. Đi ra nào. Đi ra now means like move, move. So đi ra actually means go out, but in these situations we can understand it means move, move, please move. Đi ra nào, or lại gần đây nào. Lại gần đây nào. Lại gần đây nào. It means like come here, or come closer. Lại gần đây nào. Okay, so now will be at the end of the sentence. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's summarize a little bit. The first one we have hãy, 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 dấu ngã, okay? Hãy, hãy can be used at the beginning of the sentence. The next one, đi, đi, đi. You can use at the end of the sentence. Đi, đừng, đừng, đừng. Đừng for do not do something or stop doing something, and it can be used at the beginning of the sentence. And next one, không được. Không được. Không được means do not do something, okay? Or is not allowed to do something. And it will be used at the beginning of the sentence as well. Now. 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 Now, this one is informal and it can be used for both formal and informal, and it's gonna be fine. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and if you want to learn Vietnamese in the fastest, easiest, and most fun way, please go to VietnamesePod101.com to sign up for your free lifetime account right now and get your real lessons by real teachers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại!